Welcome back. Goa has requested zero buffer zone from Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, 1 kilometer buffer zone around Kotigao Wildlife Sanctuary and phase out of mining in the buffer zone in next 5 to 10 years. These sanctuaries come under Madai and Netravali Sanctuary Zone. Earlier, central government had issued notification to close down all mining activities which come under 1 kilometer of buffer zone with immediate effect. Now, Environment Ministry has indicated phasing out of mines in the buffer zone.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar met Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar in Delhi. He discussed Goa's mining issue with the Central Minister. He requested for zero buffer zone for Dr. Salim Ali Bird Park in Shorrow and 1 kilometer buffer zone for Kotigao in Wildlife Sanctuary. Chief Minister has opposed immediate shutdown of mining operations which fall under 1 kilometer of buffer zone from Wildlife Sanctuary. Parrikar has asked for 10 years of period to phase out mining operations which fall under 1 kilometer of buffer zone.
We have informed them that we cannot accept anything but zero buffer layer for Salim Ali. We cannot accept more than 1 kilometer for Kotigao. We brought to their notice that two of the wildlife sanctuaries were declared during President's rule in 1999 and their final boundary itself is in dispute. There are 32 villages which are trapped in this wildlife which has to be removed. So we said that is the reason why we said 1 kilometer buffer with 10 years phasing out program. 5 to 10 years depends on the time which mine it is. It can be even 1 year if the mine is exhausted. That depends on the individual case.
Central Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar gave positive response to Goa government's request. He tweeted, "The states with higher forest cover should not be penalized. They should be benefited for their environment protection efforts." Environment Ministry has also indicated that it will not close down mining activities immediately, which fall under 1 kilometer of buffer zone. The fresh order on Goa, which is expected to be issued soon by the Environment Ministry, may allow the state government to phase out mining in the buffer zone in next 5 to 10 years. Nearly 32 mining leases were affected, out of which 22 are working leases. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.